Yeah, enye asimbia ne say miss munsandi video yi emma eye sadik mus.
That Okatakyie Afrifa, you think me, I'm there to come and chop government money? My sweat. The money I'm talking about is my sweat. Yeah, Charlie, sir, Okatakyie Afrifa, sir, what Jimmy Chain? Sir, what Jimmy Chain? We are quite video na my na who I edit video no you brought a video on social media. Do you hear what I said? And you said I'm coming to borrow from the government. Your mother. If I'm doing my promotion and you're one powerful and NSA, they come and cancel my fight. The money I waste, they don't have to give me. We are quite siapa. That Okatakyie Afrifa, you think me, I'm there to come and chop government money? My sweat. The money I'm talking about is my sweat. Don't be there and be stupid over there. Are you stupid? I'm using my money to do my promotion. I take just 3 months to advert my promotion. Just 1 week. And you are for 1 day to my promotion. And you are for come and cancel my promotion. All the money I waste get lost. That is what I'm talking about. And you have to come and bring some video on social media that I said I'm coming to borrow from the government. You are kwasiapa. Chale me again, my boy. Afrifa, me you can't stand me, me I will beat you. Anytime I will see you, me I will beat you. I'm telling everybody. Because you are saying on social media that you and me, you can beat me. You will see your mother and your father and your pepe. You will see your mother and your father and your pepe. When I face you.
Mualim bela. The men bon kwabra nyura. Alasa so ina tafata bai. Ndo kunye shambala. For Molly.
Ghana Jinkwamba. Jomama. Papa de one election can you help me bring them come sabo asase mo bie na question me.
A few moments later.
Stupid institution we call it office of the bogus nonsense rubbish office of the whatever prosecutor special prosecutor rubbish and then Mahama so baby na can say I will not scrap it, I will not do it because they are all together, they're still together.
Mahama, chekwasi yampani wetum or call for chinitum unkura gempa.
They are all thieves.
I say what been in Yaduma.
Moi.
Mistake.
Woman, you did bring your way. I did have a ton of 1.2, yes, 1.3, 1.
Yes, so much with the Afutuo handset.
More dada, we are half for. Sister, who for the one?
Enti amu kwa adwuma de na de akwan ben so na mo fa so amutimi ekwa adwuma ko ye adwuma still mo nye ska twa dia na bi ska tie ye di awreho yakoba ye
say ye di awreho okay you free so ne yanko anim ladies and gentlemen ye movie na Kofi Francis Kofi, thank you for being here mpacho ba share my na yanko anim and this show no is a special edition because ordinarily, you show around this time, but we just decided that we are going to this time around have a Wednesday show, and I'm see a free BB spring break our America, so I'm enjoying spring break. As Santiago Niakola can spring break. I meet him. de. If we am was it make a spring break. Anyways, abre mechia eye agona bipua we am wase bepo ase funfuni da aban kokotie sua Kenan moso mechia mo nyina dome amenase mechia mo Jamase mechiamo asamai akrofonso tano dumase kuna mechiamo afamaso oforia manfone ne nkrofo mechiamo sabre obia otumenka ayi keke your friend say Kennedy hoyi moso mechiamo nyina domi abra mechiamo nyina da mechira munyi mechira obia mechiamo nyina why na enche bia sechireni ba Kwa Afrifa mesori afri awoyi mu na maba na menemu aba bedi menkeya mpesi na menemu aba ni aba bedi akaw ebise me metimusu ase 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 yes me de hiani ba wo ajahine na de ba ne me Koku ase mena na fie ja ya do yonso aha yo mechia mu nyina obi a enkurase ne kofiase no kura no me wo interest kofiase se me wo interest pa eti mechia mu nyina your friend say ajimai ne nkrofo ajimai na bia no ahye space watch Steve Wonder we make wo betwuma da pa o be kire ho ajima ho tsai bibia bokode e mechia mo saa na mechia adumans ene ne nkrofo abila mechia obia wate mel kwabena was MP worker started mel o tsai media minim hwie o the minimum is a memamfo. We hammer Dave Hammer of Hello FM. Sabre was woody. Dave, Bibiabo Cordia. Sabre so a year. Minimse Aisha. How Shaban? We are Hineba Kofi Adma Kwampa was with day grounds for you. Nana, you always sexy and near Landro Depot. May I say, we are Bemadia. And you can't say, I'm always sexy, no. And the we are say you, and think you can't say, Kwabno Foria Manfu, when you Foria Manfu or what a Famaso and Abed Masi, where you Foria Manfu Facebook. Whatever you will do, we will force you to go to MP position for us. And no, Roy. Agenda 2028, Michael Kwame Usu Zesty. Kwame. Ajay, we. Asantiago na no kure wo mu ne se Asantiago na nyu biadia na continuously omoye o na katechi MP no ana well edru ho a we will be but me sechreni it omo di MP o ho no omo nsene me qualify more than that to be a member of parliament na yenyan take decision. If you decide you will lead a group of people, you must first approach them and understand the direction they want to go. Eti yebehwe sampanyampa no manfo no say direction be o maba bidu no ehefa no mo pese o mokọ na se be o mo pese o mokọ no nso se me wa hoden a metimi aboa asoma me akode a ene na medi animu ame akọ menyanya ho nyansa nimde ne ahoden a yede be kọ a memfa me ho nkọ se manfo ne nsoma me. It's Richard Odro say agona nyameti ase. Richard, thank you very much. Agona nyameti ase. Che Emmanuel say pia wo hene. Bashiru, watching and learning from a year Buakwa. Okay. When nya Buane Kwasia show Bashiru, thank you. Bashiru Haj. MP vibes all the way. Sugar free in short. Sugar. I don't know why you guys are saying MP vibes all the way, but we are good. We are good. Yabasom ya manfo no. Eno ne hiame. Matena eyenkran. Emfie bebree. Na MP na me pedie keka me qualify to be a year member of parliament within a year Dome Kwabenya enclave because Dome Kwabenya matna wachepa. Sanso na se MP kekena me pedia me qualify to be a member of parliament ewo a year drabbing. If it's a mina nephew jamo beka bumfa. Messi eja hine ne ma kwasi wo se JD MP. Emfie bebre wo dwoso. Satam na yajusu drabbing. Eti yeche mu no na drabbing. Encherepo aso wo do ye fe etia ediba besi kuba se hwere so. Eba besi eye duampo. Edi besi new kofodua. Ayi your friend say no boam no awuramu bomfa all the way to Admasa Pemna say edikosi ache ase na ho nyina nso minim ho aha na eno no se ba se MP keka na nso se no de ye ka no asante agunafo je me boss se yokohene ehwa na mesum wo bipuafo je me boss se yokohene ehwa na mesum wo wiamoase bedmase akrofon so wo nyina je me boss se yokohene ehwa na mesum eti moma yenni nkomo ni yedru ho na se se manfo no se wo muhia kadachi ne ye masum bibi foforo dia ye bekọ ne yakọ akosom aha eti yenko okay 1 2 3 Kwame Michael Kwame thank you yenante and my mema announcement Aaron Eddie McCarthy is a program for the good people of GH. Simon and Nkrumah say I'm watching you live. Simon, thank you. Yentie first announcement. Yentie.
Woman, you did bring your way. I did have a ton of 1.2. Yes, 1. Woman, you did bring your way. I did have a ton of 1.2. Yes, 1.3. 1.
Yes, so much to be a super high.
Woman, Dada, woman, we are half for sister. Woman, for the wine now, bunch now. Woman, you did bring your way. I did have a ton of 1.2. Yes, 1.3. 1.
Yes, so much to be a super high.
Woman, Dada, woman, we are half for sister. Woman, for the wine now, bunch now.
Oshe akwana woye prema ni papa. Hwebe ma se no si gina ha. Hey sister, wo fufu di wine na hwe aba nche ne ba. Ei akwa ye kurase ni. Why does he I'm watching you live from here we am watching no why where I'm watching you live from Odumase munyina obi ahwe bi na mon kama manfo ne nte. What? Okay, akwa ne se wo fufu di na aba nche bajo. Agwaye kurasini yenje news ni bi o
woman ye di bro ye we ade abeton 1.2 yes 1.3 1.
Yes so much to be a super high sense
woman dada wo mu ya san afọ akoyifo sister wo wufu di wine now bunch now do
wo mwa banche ne bajo said was here nanim sister wo fifu di na ban we tete kurase tama mpa kasa o one tene kurase ya wonte the body gestures wonte ase da we so one tene bomfa pa ne mpotamu one tene kokote ahua ne mpotamu wonte body gestures ya se da mu amotra cantonment ne ayi laboni ne hwan ne de we ne ye akika monte ase o se wo fifu di na wo banche ne bajo ampa banche bajo yenti announcement number 2
Sidam yanto awon kobe. Me pata me kacha ban se. Se no haya papa.
Adai.
Me kacha ban to haya papa.
Adai.
What dia sama papa.
Hey.
Eti dia ben ye. Dia ben ye.
Why adai?
Koko be bag ye se dia obi aso onto.
Sa.
Adai bo na mo se me chacha wo kwa se scan ho. We go see scan what? 25 look at them scan so send you. And we see a tablet so 25 for scammer. Ya tablet is one year so better. Near family car. It is them. Enti ya mu kwa adwuma de ne de akwan ben so na mo fa so amutimi ekwa adwuma ko ye adwuma still. Mu nye ska twa dia ne bu ska. Tete ye di awraho yakoba de. Kuyani na wo koko funu ko bege. Sidam yanto awon ko bege. Na wo didi. Wo bege didi. Adi koko ni yanto. Na wan ko bege abege didi.
Wo bege didi.
Wura waka. Oh.
Wado koko fu wado pause na menka sam chiro. Wado koko fu ado wa feed Ghana feed no. Wa musika ne de ahwe Ghana mfie bebre mfie wo ha mfie bebre. Ene hwese de osi gina wo ne ho ne ye bia wo de gina ho. Ohia definition of ohia. Enso ko hwe randia be watch e bone randia be watch e bone betimi ahwe papa yi mfie be du. Ohia wo ose wa anko baade a obeda didi mu amantena akurase ne baade wonte ase ye kodo afuom ye kodo aboja ye kodo ne agiska that day no eye by day wo kono adwuma no wo kodo by day no age eno ne baade no wantena akurase a wonte ase da, and you cannot understand the sovereign and the plight of the ordinary people. Tie de meka yi de enti o man Ghana yen koso ne se we keep on electing people who do not have any knowledge of the plight of the people. They do not understand the sovereign of the masses. They can only assume. When you power in America, never pan yes, or ye dear ben dear bay, why ye near Tam MP dear money, ye the man no yes, and ye dear ben if I hear could see him. No more uncle from that, but they would man crop. When him dear friend about it. Wonim de hiani ni go through wonim de koko ni no go through si yekobo koko ni abunu no abunu ni abunu no ansa ni yakotu abegu apata ni hata ni de ensa numu amena wo no wonim ade kro etisi obi esu no yekuani a wonte ase they only assume. So we keep on electing people who are very far from the plight of the masses. Asisa ma ankoba de ya minidi we koko ni enso ya tu koko no agu ho de abesi fie wonya atofo eti enso akoba idea ansa no adidi you are team member of parliament no oti so wonko afuo ni mu bi da obeda ate ase ba de ni sun no akwai sun no osu no obeda ate ase. Samuel Oloto, why do you want to be MP in Ghana? Samuel me nya madwe se meye MP in Ghana na ebo me se koba se meye madwene a I believe that when you want to see a change, you must effect a change from a table you have a seat at. A table no you make a decision, you know. Won't mean tenachiri na wonya hu dede na wo expect say those are the table, the decision making table, no? They will effect the change you want to. And for that matter, you must find your way to the seat. Then the kind of ideas that you have, the kind of policies, the pro-poor policies that you have in your head, you can bring it to the decision-making table and make sure that those decisions matter and they count. So any day, if I decide I want to be a member of parliament, that is going to be my reason. I understand the plight of the masses. But Temanfoni Sunwase. Bisa mi Nkansah mi hiani mobro ni ajahini o hiani bubro na ne banimie. Akosua bene wa hiani bubro ana ne banimie. Timetie hiafo me ma me akosua bene wa akopani se mensa fuom na wakotwa abe ni ekotwa abe no ayen akwa akosoa ni efri school ba ya betena ho ni atutu abe no ni etutu abe no ya de asigya so awo ni ye ufre ayi school ba wakwa afuom a wabagye so obe wa abe na ma me de nensa tumu atwia ye ho ansa ni akɔ school etimetie hiafo ni so ase tie de me kan ye. So I won't just be wanting to be a servant of the people for the sake of it, but the happiness of the people shall forever be the happiness of me. Their plight shall be my plight, and that has been the reason here. Makonto kwa ne ni ye kura ye se ye kotwro 10 cents dia yikateche 10 cents. Manfo no. It is ani ebe no. Why? Sa ni ebe no. Obi anso nwemra ye decide so ye beko ye nsuro ba kokura. Announcement number 3.
Yebra Malik Basintali ni 8. Ene sen hwe kamia ye say ye aya do ye afu no emunwa no enwaba ye mfa bida hwe say ye nyina ye dede
start view
minu ya sa fe no be pie video yi so anope ya share video bo mo na share video no man koka ye andisi form panimfo nsa yakopo be share sa wa share video no na anope yi uhu se me ye video ya enye asembia ne se mun send video yi ema eye eye Sadiq Musa ye bra Malik Basintali ni age ene sen hwe kamia ye say ye aya do ye fu no emunwa no enwaba yemfa bida hwe say ye nyina ye dede wo de hwe soro ha hwe account no it is Sadiq Adam
see us na mayor ya wa communications minister ya fena Kwadwo Sam George Penyah na betri for supete Penyah na betri obati DSTV so no boy de chen kan no when I say for second crop we buy party why you mama DSTV for boafu politician Jimmy we no akofa data no be data analytical analysis and analytical kwasia brofo party ayo for supete say ya ka say yes, I register same from wa. And then we call kra as obi di akire na okuta phone nim. And so your minister, communications ministry, o management saying, yo, ya gro ho sa na yetna ho sa. Say ya na be ko, na say ya so na be yoyen. Ya ma ya dua anya adwuma. Na ya ntumrike hu se niam bi koso e betime praye ya. Say ya na ya bra bodo be yo.
No kore, Kwadwo. Afedi Kwadwo adwene ba fie. Kwadwo sma na adwene ne eye adwuma e say e ba fie. Ana didije ya bam Kwadwo wo de ehunu se wo yese ni sei no ana yese na akọ wiese we no wadwene no na eba fie ana didije na ya bam mu de ahia Kwadwo smart Kwadwo ni dinu ne honam se wonya smart baako sei Okay, yentie. Kwadwo, okay, yeda ase. Say odo di na ba. Yenko announcement number 3. Announcement number 3 ne say
no so na waba. Ami adom Ghana jenkwa ba. Wana. Jomama. Papa de wa woni election ke ye wo he me Benjamin ka na msabo wa asase mu abie ni akwahye mi.
A few moments later.
Stupid institution we call it office of the bogus nonsense rubbish office of the whatever prosecutor special prosecutor rubbish and then Mahama so baby and I can't say I will not scrap it, I will not do it because they are all together, they're still together.
Mahama chekwasi yampani wetu okole for chini tum unkura gempa
they are all thieves.
We I say what been
hey
who fear no so na waba attorney general so me nji attorney general bi andida na akwa we oye Mahama attorney general akwa ya say Dominica ni me nji ndi ba ko on de nji ndi cha attorney general
won so okasana ne mama so aye shen say ya Kwadwo enso minim no se wo ka no kora dia minim Kwadwo wonom ensa da bi wine na ya wonom enso said wo sikasa ne mama so yes one way ya no bia wo kaso no mu yi to da ne nsam no we ni si ha na we akosi ha na anopa tututu one way ya obi senso wi no wonwanom dia minim wonwanom aminim Kwadwo minim if say to da said ye ne nsam ka no esi ha na akosi ha na esi Kwadwo smart yamfa ne sa yanko announcement number 3 Kwadwo smart onya smart yenti
face to face pound for pound. Yeah, Charlie, sir, Okatakyie Afrifa, sir, what Jimmy Chen.
Okay.
Sir, what Jimmy Chen. We are quite siapa. Okay. Video na mayena, why edit video no you brought a video on social media.
No.
You hear what I said and you said I'm coming to borrow from the government. Your mother.
Okay.
Your mother. If I'm doing my promotion and you're one powerful and NSA, they come and cancel my fight. They come and cancel my fight. The money I waste, they don't have to give me. We are quite siapa.
Okay.
That Okatakyie Afrifa. You think me? I'm there to come and chop government money. My sweat. The money I'm talking about is my sweat. The money I'm talking about is my sweat. Don't be there and be stupid over there.
Okay.
Are you stupid?
No.
I'm using my money to do my promotion. I take just 3 months to advert my promotion. Just 1 week. Just 1 week.
Mahama
And for 1 day to my promotion, and for come and cancel my promotion. All the money I waste get lost. That is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
And you have to come and bring some video on social media that I said I'm coming to borrow from the government.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Okay. You lie.
Afrifa, me you can stand me, me I'll beat you. Anytime I'll see you, me I'll beat you.
You cannot beat anybody. Me catch you pay. I tell why, my because I'm Joe. If we are some fine boy, nada. Na me majuma, if we are some man ye. MC said that me buy a man ye, boxing. Me? If we are some juma, ye, me buy a man ye. Boxing. Now, me who say a talented me more my explore sa talent no. Now, if you want me to acquire the license to kill, he said the minim say emremuno say me yam adwene say me ye obibia emremuno enemy bidi. The only time there is exception to say bikunwa yenya me hwe. When you and I are in the boxing ring. I know, sir, in Latin they say voluntary non fit injuria. To whom he consent cannot be harmed. Now, exception to that rule is that me no ebe jina a year boxing ma. Now, I take min training. Me ma chance say training kura akame kwasia. Min training. I take unkwa dia min training me kame se pa kwasi. Whoa. Opa Masharaf. Aide, me bagana mayor. Masharaf promote. We mama Sharaf kwa iso promote. Me and you. We will be anyamri. I need to explore that avenue. Boxing, you know, say I need to explore. Show my real Adam Hubia. Kwaku say I don't want say. Mentise Lilliput. When I am in front of you, I am mahusive. I am imposing. Show Nkansah nyasa agudie I the boys me show Nkansah ukaze we dia agro na we men sana bisi ara bi dia agro me poster bi abi. But anyway, that's on the lighter side. I the boys money nkobre eye ya ampofo ankra so me menya ya ampofo ankra. And say nwura omo ka menim die ntia menuanom especially menuanom housefo ene nkranfo omunya ka nkran na mayibo mayile menim die the moment ombe kana so omo ho odin bi ni ade media yemfa nwura ma menim o nyame na fafie na school bam ana akrache se mabam na nka langat menim na eye kobusa nash okumase nyame pe ana fafie ana akrache sem ene suku semwa bamu nti yagyae na wo ye mema sam kire mmekwa Afrifa mani so a kobusa nash kumase nash machomai kobusa no nga nkire na ka menemu na ye langas no na utigina menim na mkase mebo a kobusa bone ene bozi ene kwa nam sha kobusa bone ni bozi ewo do mi St John's kobusa omo no mka nkire ye be show papa o dia makrache 7 fine boy na we so yan matete manim ne yi mane na da na hwa de ye move on we at fourth announcement
for mo alambala teme bon kwabra nyura alasa so hino ina tafata bai
alasa
so kunya shambala for mo ale
it's we alasa so yini the constituency. You see, Ibrahim Mahama akoto private jet Okatakyie ya. Nemo the constituency alasa yiso in the constituency. And the nipa ne ntwe na enum nsuo. Alasa suhini the constituency. Enipa ne ntwe na enum nsuo. Enipa ene ntwe na enum nsuo. As you see, I am Yasa Ibrahim Mahama akoto private jet. Name on private jet and yana dia. Private jet no. Your mama na ne dia. Eti alasa suhini. Unye hu ya. Omanfo no ne nantwie na enum nsuo. Facha me. No disrespect to anyone, But then this is the realities of life. In the constituency, Tamale North, Alasan Suhi in the constituency. Enipa no ne nantwie na anum nsuo. Womanya a team 21st century. 21st century, look kind the kind of water that Kwame Nkrumah and Nananom Enumo. Look kind the kind of water. Mensasa banana no Enumo. Look kind the kind of water. Castle Hereford Nana no more. Look kind the kind of water. Adomu and Nana no more. In 21st century. 21st century. And so, ofa ya mamua ye buya. Yenuanom Northness abba bedi positions of power more. Ironically, when you give them power, instead of them to use it to help their people, wamodi ya kesemu won cry. Mekai wa bubefu ma bunfu. Yenuanom Northness enye tumi si ya mo tumi se wo di speaker of parliament yo, so wo di president yo, uchemu yie panwa, wamunya positions of power. Ya mo akwanya so mo nko mo krom no mo koko developer, no mo di si dan kase ya rema kase nkran. Modi sit na ya kase enso me ne wo mienu kase yi ensuo amanfo no enomwo ensuo amanfo no enom no ensuo amanfo no enom ne omone na ntwe na enomwo omone na ntwe na enom enso de free way yentie we
Omam nya wotiri yan dodo ya mo wa man dodo disable ni we school otifie okomite no anya dan
Onya day.
Enti penifo ya sabio sebe aduane besi mu table so a enti mu firi sai. Enti mo ndwene ya ho kakra. Mo ndwene ya ho kakra. I mean follow in Deuteronomy chapter 27. I say curse be to those who mislead a blind man. Adana mo yesa. Adana mo tete yesa. Why? Yaya Mobo, Mr. President, sorry, oh, sorry. President Mahama, you suffer. So what that sorry, oh, sorry. Disabled
for a mobile and Tia Manyana said, John Dramani Mahama buying a buy no. Disabled for a Nayamo Muto boot, baby, or motier. Say, one better not to boot no my Juma at the Abua bino. And they, your mamma buying says I disabled for no more MPP for. It to a power more woman in our Kwaku Tenefi. It in a Menoka say several months. Disabled for an Aquatenefia, a com a kumo. Disabled for na kwatena fia wo munya aduane nie. Disabled for na kwatena fia wo mo depend wo mo yire no wo enananom ayi wo mo yire no wo mo manom esu. Ye jai binom. Eno na ye nua ya nani afrai wo kamwo. Se jo mama amemo no so ba for on ye ntie no.
Your mam nya wotiri yan dodo ya mo wa man dodo. Disabled ni we school otifie okomite no anya dan. Enti penifo ya sabio sebe aduane besi mu table so a enti mu firi sai enti mo ndwene ya ho kakra I mean follow in Deuteronomy chapter 27 I say curse be to those who mislead a blind man. Adana mo yesa. Adana mo tete yesa. Why? Yaya Mobo, Mr. President, sorry, oh, sorry. President Mahama, you suffer. So what that sorry, oh, sorry. Yaya Mobo, disabled for Yaya Mobo.
Disabled for Yaya Mobo. Assembly dika. Eso wana beka Okatakyie Afrifa Manu poi. Me na meka mi afa me ho tanye. Assembly edika. Wine ne beka. Okatakyie Afrifa na no po. Wono ne beka mi afa ne ho tanye. Disabled for no comedy woman. Anyway, you started your first show. Now, first a year show no. Just so you know that Jomama Memono a year fracadam, a tro deception. One more enkano Corintino. Let's look at something. So, this letter was written by Dr. Callistus Mahama, who is the executive secretary to a year John Dramani Mahama. Now, Dr. Callistus Mahama Eka Assembly in 2025, April 2nd, or Chura letter suspension of the grant of contract appointments. So, Yeridia, or say the grant of post-retirement contract appointments to retired public servant staff has been suspended with immediate effect. Now, kindly take note of this directive and ensure strict compliance. So, here are John Dramani Mahama, the executive secretary, which is Ora Callistus Mahama, on the 2nd of April 2025, last year, a issue communique signed by Ono Dr. Callistus Mahama on behalf of John Dramani Mahama, announcing said the decision of the cabinet, the decision of John Dramani Mahama, Amemuo, and they said all post-retirement contract appointment extension, it is over 60. Now, say so retire, extension view. There were no exceptions, there were no extensions, there were no backdoor arrangement. A clean, bold policy on paper by John Dramani Mahama Amemuo. But John Dramani Mahama Amemuo, the realities on the ground, does it reflect, does it mirror a letter noa, Callistus Mahama, what they buy, Yemusa question. Now let us have a conversation. Says, with this 60 years, now you're a public servant, you are supposed to go for retirement. John Dramani Mahama said, oh, extend this retirement and Emma Ubia. Sa retirement now won't extend no. And they young shad you. Menoka say acting CEO of GMPC, Kwame Ntua Amwa. Well, Chamu 60 years, say 66 was say, Kwame Ntua Amwa Dimfi say 66 beboa. Sansuna Bennett aye Akantwa. Bennett Akantwa. Our no year deputy CEO for GIF. On also the 66 years, he is still at post. Sansuna Engineer Julius there, yeah. Okay. Engineer Julius Kwame Penyah Nidino. MD for ECG currently. MD for ECG Edim 62. He is still at post. Meanwhile, John Dramani Mahama said, all extended Obia. Dr. Tony Oben, our yes, Woma Petroleum Hub. And then Dr. Tony Oben, at this 64 years, he is still at post. Dr. Francis Barr, Deputy CEO Cocoa Board. Dr. Francis Barr, Deputy CEO Cocoa Board. And they were also more than 60 years. He is still at post. Sansuna CC Kweno, CEO for Gaming Commission at this 63 years. He is still at post. Sansuna Ora Vincent Kwabenu, our water, Ghana Community Water and Sanitation CEO. Wano at the 62 years. Ura Kwabenu is still at post. Now the question we are asking is that policy now what the buyer say won't extend a year the retirement a year package, Question here Busan is it still at post? Is it still real? Are these individuals above a year that policy? Is the policy binding and also because omoye closer to political power, it does not a year reflect, it does not extend to them. If the mandatory age for a year retirement is 60 years. John Dramani Mahama by through Dr. Callistus. A year chere said on extended any retirement via OMA extension. Now, all of a sudden, these people are above the age of 60, and yet they are still at post. IGP, Christian Teteyonu, Waburu 60, he is still at post. Eti Mahama buying so wakasa hwesoro hwefom. Onye nipa obetimi agye no adie. Yewra John Dramani Mahama aban so wakachira ose hwesoro hwefom. If se me no ka se wakachira yen as of last year, say one extended any retirement on extended wabua. Presidency no wonder say nkrofo dey a year contract emu omu a ontimi nka hwe. Or say did I hear their contract extended? Normal contract extended young 60 years and above, he's supposed to go home. It's in a contract extension. Now the presidency is violating the very directive of Nkansah. In any case, we knew that your mama Manu can be a or one so Nemuno, say Bayanaka, where you say The NTA maker says, when they say, Atufo Siambeka Chere say, Enkrofo Mako retirement a year bo mo ketri omukano. They are more than 40% of a year you pay. Public service for pay. 40% the editorial amount for ika. So if you have issued a nationwide directive suspending a year post-retirement contractor, there is no way so one gaza be brigiba jomama memono or gaza mze Dr. Callistus, we know you are lying, we know you did not mean it, and we are exposing them. That's exactly what we are going to do. CEOs in MMDCs or at post. Who authorized them to be at post? He said that one Gaza policy, you don't believe in it. Now the question we are asking you, how do you tell the ordinary public servant to say on retire at the age of 60? We are politically connected. To say Dr. Tony Obe no more maka. 62, 63, 65, 66, and yet they are still at post because they are politically connected. So the ordinary servant in India, who preach fairness, and yet who practices selective exemption. Dr. Tony Oben, I say for Omo Moroso, there's you himself, your mama, or car, or chatro. So Dr. Callistus Mama, when our science are communicating, when our Kasama president, you can be the president taker. Who set a standard, and yet you cannot walk your own talk. Policy as a will enforce you cannot even enforce your own policy. Dr. Callistus Mama, it's a question. Did you mean what you said? Ana aturo ni nada aturo ni nada. Moya 419 moya frakadam amemu. Na yaka frakadam amemu yi. Ye sure se mo nyina amate eye recruitment eye enioma ekoso. Say abansi will be a portal. We are going to unearth the lies by this government. Now, Abayese recruitment na ekoso. Don't forget, you were a Ghana Armed Forces recruitment. And you were the other security agencies, under Ministry of Interior. Ghana Armed Forces is not under Ministry of Interior. So, Ministry of Interior were more the prison service, the police service, the National Fire Service. Now, Abayese 5,000 slots for the Ministry of Interior, National Fire Service, Police, blah, blah, blah. But Yera Mutaka Mubarak, Aturonti, will be a portal and collaborate 500,000. And collaborate 500,000. Tenio. Now, and collaborate 500,000, or more corporate slot of less than 6,000. Ama nkola ya kwa kutia ene atro ene na adenti nkola na kwa kutia eye 1,600 each krono aban a woma ne manfo adwuma wo se bone manfo no krono wonim se wo fa nkola 5,000 nanso we bia 500,000. Ama nkola no yesi free bibi health dia ben omo kwakọ health maintenance cost 1,600. Wo je nkola yi nyina 1,600. Wo abra wonim se onfa even 1% of 500,000. Yaka anwasem kan. Afi ya ho a Kionet aban ne se. Wono de watie manfo ni sum. And for that matter, President Mahama ahodi emergency a year. A cabinet meeting. Now, emergency cabinet meeting in Baya. Felix Ofosu Kwache and an Nsasha said, President Mahama has directed the Ministry of Interior say omo increase the intake for 40,000 tenye. Now, the letter coming from President Mahama, which was signed by Felix Ofosu Kwache, and it said, President Mahama said we increase say recruitment, yenye intake of 40,000 for a period of 4 years. After man for the budget so already letter now say President John Omani Mahama has held a high-level meeting with the heads of security agencies, Minister of Interior and Acting Minister of Defense on the ongoing security service recruitment. Following the briefing of the process, the President has directed that the number of men and women to be recruited to the various security agencies should be increased from 20,000 to 40,000 over a 4-year period. Are you serious? After man for the bomb, some share. President Mahama ya dio wa ya dio. Nam si ye radicale netabay. Se mo nyame. Se nyame of men free soro ama. Se nyame trade ampo of men free soro ama. Ama men ye bi nyoma ni so ankyere mu a. Ke netabay de frakadam be kumo. Kien yo. The entire maker say say President Mahama before see a year recruitment biano. Ministry of Finance what in a budget equa. Sa Ministry of Finance budget no. When they kind aye appropriation tienyo which is statutory. So appropriation is say Ministry of Finance beka say misika me de ba say me ba be di na fe mu ni nyina no. Ministry of aye agric say na me de ba memam 2%. Ministry of Interior memam 11%. Ministry of this memam 10. Ministry of Defense memam 20. 80 ansan ye bedi Ghana sika bia no. Ni aye appropriation nyina wie. Ewa bra the last budget ya ori ato force de call parliament ema parliament gitum no. Ministry of Interior ya mo 11.4% of the national budget statutory appropriation ya dia mo it's 11.4% no. And no na ye be hwe ho se ene emudodo sei ane yeyi ade afa recruit for ene ye kan recruit for. Now recruit for no eka ye betua mu the whole year no ya factor it into the budget. Is a John Domani Mama be catch say ya top level meeting. And for that matter you see ye increase a year number name free a year 20,000 to 40,000 over a period of no obisa question say so 20,000 to 40,000 no, whereas there has been already appropriated a year statutory appropriation given to Ministry of Interior. Whereas John Domani Mahama said there can never be any over expenditure which has not been appropriated to that ministry. Whereas John Domani Mahama said, Assembly Walkano say a basse over expenditure, it must be brought back to Parliament for approval. Whereas the President knows very well, say already know yewo a year allocation a year say Ministry of Interior and Ministry of Defense. Or a year recruitment 10,000 every year. And for that matter, 10,000 out of the 10,000, 4,000 will be given to the Ministry of Defense, and 6,000 will be given to Ministry of Interior. How then does the president deceive the people by saying that I have given them the opportunity to increase it from 20,000 to 40,000 within a period? Because first of all, Yara John Dramani Mahama say already no Nkansah no. The Parliament adia 2 minutes say every year for the next 4 years, yebefa enipa in the security service, i.e., Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Interior, Ministry of Defense, which is the Ghana Armed Forces, Police Service, Fire Service. Yes, yebefa enipa 10,000 every year, which is already estimated. Now, as a John Domani Mahama buying Saba, no beka chere say yes, ye increase 40,000 over a period of a year, 4 years. First of all, it is already accepted. Say a period of 4 years, you know, you better 10,000. Now 10,000 4 years, and you're 40. It's the idea not to that. So this communique that has been brought by a year of Ofusuko say we need to now increase it to 40,000 over a period. Now, Ocha 40,000 over a period of 4 years, 10,000 every year. So already it has been agreed upon that 10,000 every year. Now, so you pass here that war near to Afutuo and Intino. Then they issue this communique. Why you want to say obetiemu ya? Now yentie Ora Collins Adumako yentie ni yentino.
Minya, and no na say president.
Yeah.
Say you increase it from 20,000 to 40,000.
Yeah.
For 4 years.
For 4 years, yeah.
So what it means is that every year we are every 10,000.
Yeah.
That 10,000, I just want to be sure, is it just for the Interior Ministry and I say the entire security service, which includes military?
The entire security
the
service.
5,000 was for the entire security services.
Okay. So what 5,000 was for the Interior Ministry.
Jinawansa. You read the letter now, fellas of Afutuo issue Nibu. The letter was very clear. The letter did not stipulate that John Dramani Mahama met just the interior minister. Or say he met the security agencies, Minister of Interior, acting Minister of Defense. So it means the number that we are talking about here, it is inclusive of Ministry of Defense, which under it is Ghana Armed Forces. So Ghana Armed Forces inclusive. And wamu increase every a year, 20,000 to a year semantics. It's a lie, it's a scam. John Dramani Mahama memu me say when ye wani a won tia se da yentie Collins admako yentiro
in parliament compensation was to take care of 10,000 4,000 to military and 6,000 to fire service, prison,
immigration, and the Ghana Police Service.
Yes. So compensation the my parliament for 10,000 people
for the entire security.
Absolutely, for this year 10,000. If it is 10,000, not say 4 years, saying 40,000.
40,000. Yeah.
So I want to understand president increments. No, where is it coming from?
Hey,
the 40,000 has already been captured.
The 40,000.
They say currently 10,000 for each year. This budget has already taken care of it. 4,000 to the military on the basis of the compensation. You approve of parliament.
Okay.
4,000 is for military. 6,000 is for
interior.
That makes it 10,000. It is for 4 years. If I say every year, we have the same number.
Okay.
That's 40,000. It's increment in a president come. I just want to understand. That's what Mibusa will say. So 10,000 to 20,000. It's specifically which of the sectors.
Frakadama memu no one pay attention to details. Because nearly half a million of your young people have applied. 500,000. Now we confirm 5,000. Now already when him say offer 5,000 they call a year fire service, police, immigration, any idea. The rest never call Ghana Armed Forces, which is already captured and agreed by Parliament. How then do you issue a communique to say we have now issued a communique saying that they should increase the number to 40,000 over a period of 4 years, whereas already it is captured that it is 10,000 every year over a period of 4 years, amounting to the already existing 40,000. So, fellows of Afutuo, or your true for one kind of correct, Kionet Abai, a tronti womunia hoto. One pay attention, one tiasi. MPP communication is in comatose. And ya Duma Kumina Babuani and Kakra Krasia. Instead, MPP communication by highlighting the issues of this nature. Most of them, they are not highlighting it. So desperate to you to know more per Jumayana. Abine said that or Mujo Musika. Abine or no one created Mamma Ranchen Mabawan in Yabinya. Atro into Nyamoto. Atro enti. How does Ministry of Interior Fund say, oh yeah, recruitment, oh found core parliament, Emma parliament approve it. Yes, yeah, issue communicate. 80 President Mama so more increase. Minister of Interior or confess he can't free him when the above double a year recruitment, you know. Parliament Amanes approval, so we increase it. And there's something called separation of powers. The only institution of state are responsible for the expenditure, the budget of our country is Parliament. They are responsible. The president me can say yeah increase it. Senokura na mom peneka. MPP time under a year you can say former interior minister 12,000 and year 5 90,000 people applied for 12,000, which is much more realistic. 90,000 people applied for a 12,000 slot, but when you have nearly 500,000 of your population applying for slot, which is not even up to 6,000. Are you a thief? What's else ask Camel man for no when you what's ask Camel? abayne scam manfo no wonu a wonya bi manfo no wonya bi man kola ne o nanso abayne se scam wo mo to wogi abayne we di at your own peril abayne we yenti eye Collins Amako bio
Minia eno na me say president say you increase it from 20,000 to 40,000 for 4 years. For 4 years, yeah. So what it means is every year we are every 10,000. Yeah. That 10,000, I just want to be sure, is it just for the Interior Ministry and I say the entire security service, which includes military? Well, so I think that the 5,000 was for the entire security services. So what did you know? Okay. 5,000 here Canada, it was for the Interior Ministry. 5,000 American. So because in Parliament, compensation was to take care of 10,000, 4,000 to military, and 6,000 to fire service, prison, immigration, and the Ghana police service. Yes. So compensation the Parliament was for 10,000 people for the entire security. Absolutely for this year 10,000. If it is 10,000, that's a 4 years. 40,000. So I want to understand president increments. No, where is it coming from? Every. Hey, the 40,000 has already been captured. The 40,000. They say currently 10,000 for each year. This budget has already taken care of it. 4,000 to the military on the basis of the compensation. You approve of Parliament. Okay. 4,000 is for military. 6,000 is for interior. That makes it 10,000. It is for 4 years. If I say every year, we have the same number. Okay. That's 40,000. It's increment now, President come. I just want to understand. That's what Mibusa will say. So 10,000 to 20,000. It's specifically which of the sectors?
Where this a question is am frefele so for su kwa chema wi ya. Question ya wo jama dem wa na dwokọ no aye adwuma no aka no kore. Fele so for su dia ban dia be. Atro de o hwehwe no na hunu no a ne won ketenkete wo mu twa tro ya mu yani wo mu twa tro ya mu yani o fele so fosu de ban de be wo twa tro wo mu nani he brofo wo we ne wiaw siaw hwiaw sa we brofo sa no de dada manfo no no tafre na no kan ta na so sa no de dada wonim se do kan na tro semantics no da ne ho no de brofo da ne ho nim se manfo ne mo akiri ye bebo akiri ye beka gold board scandal ne ho asem ba yentie ade wemra
just state capture. These are the documents.
Mami dinya hame.
Man. Wabua. Every Kwadwo smart minimum 7 say. Na Kwadwo ni oguja to abla kwa ahihye adwuma bi. Mo hwe adwuma ne se do mbesi ya. Mami dinya hame. Mami bia ni ho. Mami bia ni ho. Me kame sepa akwasi kame man nine say. Mami bia ni ho. Muntie.
State capture. These are the documents.
Mami dinya hame.
Mami bia ni ho.
Man.
That's what is going on. Into the year can say. Yeah, be bani. Into under the new NDC manifesto.
So we move na samonje. Can I capture?
Operation Retrieve All Loot.
Okay. Okay, maybe Mahama press meeting
because President Mahama and Ubekaya Professor Mills ye be 2009. Baby a ye foreign ministry yes foreign ministry. Okay. Omoton Emma cabinet ministers. Anka one sizia. Anka say you to be in foreign ministry. Enti you are serving notice.
Of which my foreign affairs minister.
Sir, it has to go. Minia. It has
no is that of which you could have it here foreign affairs minister. No one share juba. Okuja to ne adwuma share o. Me mama me media ka be me ya papa. Wayo yes and je Kwadwo smart bi o ye die no na hwe ade ye hiro.
Just state capture. These are the documents.
Mami dinya hame.
Mami bia ni ho.
Mami
if you also your anti-corruption crusader, now we'll fight for the people there. Obidi wo mu a, why do you cover it? Samuel okuja to ablakwa. The true mirror of justice. Minua pa no na so So bidding woman say anti-corruption and some na so fight here. Other na wo cover nipa kura ni din wo so, but nipa bia ni ho. It is a made up name. Na yenti okujeto. Yenko suntie no.
That's what is going on. Into the year can say. Yeah, be bani. Into under the new NDC manifesto.
So we mobeji anasa monje. Can I capture country fano?
Oh, Operation Retrieve All Loot.
Okay. Mobeji.
Yeah, beji.
Okay. Maybe bisa Mahama
yeah,
press meeting nasa or cancel beji.
Yeah, beji. Because President Mahama and Obekaya. Professor Mills ye be 2009. Baby a ye war foreign ministry or yesi foreign ministry.
Okay.
Omoton ema cabinet ministers. Anka wan sizia. Anka say ye to be in foreign ministry. Enti ya serving notice.
Of which bit my foreign affairs minister.
It has to go. Minia. It has.
So based on these lies at throwing, Anna President Mahama Bayeno was say all sale of state lands tienye. Or the ban atoso, it means we a government appointee. Won't mean konkoto cantonment in sase. Anya nipa bone sem na ye political class no a. Mo be wia manfo ni sika wia. Mo kwa na mo amasa ton state lands de ama mo ho. Any day anytime that is immoral. If the cantonment in sase, laboni in sase, sase ni bend the central business point of Accra, which is Ghana. Which is Accra and Potemu. It's a nipa bonisem na yemua. Anka sansasi ni see high-rise buildings. Moba ya Bruchiri, Moba Italy, Moba America. Baby a nipa no the central business point of eye kurono. You see high-rise buildings. Said be ya nurse fo benya bi muatena. Said be ya doctor fo benya bi muatena. No matimi aba adwuma ntem. Ene political class no. Se bi prendua se nkurasese munti. Baby a dede wo aeroplane faswo cantonment enkurasesem nti yese ho ne yepe oba abrochira esikafo na oba abrochire no wo mote ekuro ne todo ho a enso yede wo mo amani ate no political class wo mabeso manfo ne ko no state lands no ase edisi high rise building ma manfo ne nya bie no sa state lands no anu wo ton ma wo ho enti yewra jondo mani mama ba e wo se wono de one agree to state land sales enti edi atoso afa ye da sore ya yenhwe monkan krate mame monkan mame na mentebrofo monkan mame o government lifts ban on suspension of sale of public lands with immediate effect sabrofo ya zeje sei sabrofo mon kire basie me sabe tiasie government lifts ban on suspension of sale of public lands with immediate effect. Abai no wasi state lands no. Yemfa tabuno ento so no. Tabuno no a wode to so no wonu asa akoyi tabuno no afri so with immediate effect. If say omo ba betwa bia ton. Omo ba betwa bia mo ho. Etibika kiro say abai no ye akohwifo abai, killnet abai, atoro abai. Abaya was say Okuya trouble akwase. Ya tons asia me ho for that matter. Sansase ton enya inyade yenyim free ho. Afi aban ne ba ya. Aban ne say government lift ban on suspension na brofo no kura mentiase. If say what the ban atoso a wasa left ban no on the ban. If the government need the ban ato state land sales so and wasa left ban no on the Oji sa ban we di. Oji kionet aban yi di. Me it say oji di a wadwene sai. Obeton sa ase ni bia ma ne ho. Obetwan sa ase ato adi. So you believe this government at your own peril. Oji aban we di at your own peril. Aban we won kan kore atro aban kionet aban wo mo pay more of the optics. Na your mama she say a military suit no ye say near budget so they believe in more of the optics than the reality. To be person man for the tias here media madwuma say me bie wani information me de ma wade ode be ye de anyima seb NDC fo a mobile ya mbedidi atem a mobuafu mu amoho ma ban na ebu a mamu ofu kankan eti mbufu mu amoho It's a government say we left ban. Yo ya nase. Now you moving away from lift of ban on sale of government a year lands no. Yan jadie. Sammy Gyamfi ede asemwa.
If the NDC were in power today, are these the proposals you would have implemented?
If the NDC was in power today,
okay,
the price stabilization and recovery levy would have been used whether in cash or in strategic oil assets to cushion the Ghanaians, to subsidize the price.
Would you have scrapped the kind of taxes you have?
No, number one, I'm telling you the things we would have done. So we would have used the price stabilization and recovery levy for its intended purpose, number one. Number two, the special petroleum tax would have been scrapped because it has outlived its purpose. The sunset clause would have kicked in. It would have been untenable for us to still charge the special petroleum tax
would have been scrapped. Meanwhile, upon the coming into office of this government, Omo introduce one city a year special petroleum tax. So the Omo Kabiano, Uju Omudi wow, bunch of scammers, bunch of killnet people. Sammy Gyamfi's special petroleum tax would have been repealed because it has outlived its purpose. Adia outliving the purpose. So Omo Baya no introduce one city. Say the two petroleum so. Now you introduce one city here the two petroleum so no ano. Na John Jinapo, yentie John Jinapo.
Hello. On this note, and on this auspicious note, let me make it clear, that irrespective of the one city, we are not going to see an increase in the price of pump price.
Wait. So Sammy Gyamfi told us that the special petroleum levy would have been repealed. But the reverse was the case. They actually did the opposite of it, where they introduced one cedi a year petroleum. Now the levy of one cedi, no, and no na John Jinapo chiri muchire yese. And no will not affect any shape or form, will not affect a
petroleum
year the prices of petroleum. Now yenti.
On this auspicious note, let me make it clear that irrespective of the one cedi, we are not going to see an increase in the price of pump price at the petroleum sector. It is only an intelligent government that can do this. No, it's only a smart government.
Okay. So let's interpret the words that were used very clearly. I say it is only an intelligent government that can do this. Okay, intelligent. I'm not so sure about the intelligent government. But I agree with him when he said that
it's only a government with...
Okay, so I agree with him when he said that it is only a smart government that can do it. So here, smart is synonymous to AI. In this modern day and era, when we say something is smart, it means artificial intelligence, AI. So I agree with him when he says that it is only a smart government that can do this. Yes, I agree. John Jinapo, your government is an AI government. Your government is an artificial intelligence government. It is only a smart government that can do, because say petrol, 1 cedi. Now the another 1 cedi become also it will not increase the prices at the pump. It is only when you are an AI government that is how come you can do that. So we are let's continue to listen.
Acumen that can do this. You had 8 years, you messed the economy up, you took it. You gave us a haircut, you gave us higher inflation, a higher exchange rate, and when we have taken over and we are turning things around, you want to instigate the people around us. It will not work, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the people of Ghana knows better. And I tell you that we will turn this economy around.
AI government and then Killnet are buying say omobe turn the economy no around. Around no eye dear here. Around ni nyina say ne ya me no ka say. Okoto petrol goyo. Eye super XP no. Eye 12 cedi 40 pesos. And now no aban AI government ne buy no say o 10 cedi. Dem mo akọ 12 cedi 40 pesos. And now no AI aban ne buy you know. Killnet aban yi buy no say e wo 15 cedi ayi diesel e wo 12 cedi. And they are moving from 12 cedi to 15 cedi 69 pesos. Now super XP 95. a movie called 14 cedi 35 pesos. Abu John Yabo, Ediana Walker.
But come to the conclusion that Akufo-Addo-led government has run out of ideas.
No, correct.
Hence, their decision to resort to such a rampant petroleum increase demonstrates that the Akufo-Addo government is insensitive and heartless to the ordinary Ghanaian.
Okay. So one cannot that the Akufo-Addo government is insensitive. It is also to petroleum insensitive. I feel also Tehran, Tel Aviv, Israel, US, Iran war, and this are Adewe Eba. Israel, US, Iran war. John Dramani Mahama so kachire say na you free Ghana call Russia and Ukraine. 700,000 kilometers. Emfa ye ho ba bia. Enti we me da sorry ye Kofi Chei. Ana so da bi ohene em say wo ye mistake. Mistake a wo ye ne say ya relocate Ghana. Enti Kofi Chei MPP aye Syria caller. We a very brilliant guy. No, so ohene wuni muntia ya relocate Ghana enti mesrewa. This is the new map of Ghana. Mesremo. They say Ghana baby a yeshe no. The entire Russia Israel Tel Aviv debe war affect Ghana fuel prices. And they say yesremo ze Ghana okoye benkum so a United States and the way ye benkum so. Okoye nifa so a ye nifa so no eye Israel. Ana esoro baby ana Burkina Faso won say Iran. And they say almost any premier and San Tokwano affect ye papa. Mesremua, they say you're changing Ghana, baby a war. The map of Ghana has been changed. So in case you did not know, the entire fool no air cosro under John Dramani Mahama say you relocate your map no. Eti map no okoko dru soro baby ana Burkina Faso wonu a e say nya Burkina Faso ne da obiu. E say ye Iran. E say okoko dru ni mfimfi enya ayi na wo obiu. Eye okọ nchen United States ana oba nchen a Israel ana wo ho. Now yenko na haban we dia me say wo bi omudi ati o mpero. Or they ask, when did it happen? And yes, the boundaries of Ghana has been changed. Momo abayin fun say there, ampa ibi was abayin fun say, abayin fun papa. Ayeka abayin fun. You sure say much gold board, Standogbe, Sammy Gyamfi. Medical catcher him say your mama memoni se begua. Sam for me and Sandy Beguno. Sam Okujeto. Sam Sam George. And Sam Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi. Sam for the three Sams. Me nim do moji wo jomama memu. Three Sams in the begu jomama memu. Samsi wo mo omo ne bebu jomama memu. Edie na asie gold board, edie na asie frakadama ban die na asie. Die si nyina ne se Sam Gyamfi adodo no anim se friend Sammy Gyamfi. Wone eye Standogbe. By way pa Sam Gyamfi ne Standogbe. Ejira tres Sams be gujo mama memuro. Mummy I papa yi. Ora your friend Standogbe. Why dey? Standogbe ye deputy chief of staff under John Dramani Mahama. Now deputy chief of staff under John Dramani Mahama there. One of the things of her super CEOs, ministers. Eti John Dramani Mahama memu no e koso no ano. You say ne company. And yes, this one is proven. The records have it. Say the company. Na ura ininua. Ura Standogbe. Ninua any Wellenam Dogbe. Onosi a Deputy Director General of Aya Senate. Eti yeka eye wonche niamemu family and friends amemua. Sam Trefo no wonche niamemu Standobe nie. Wa Deputy Chief of Staff. Wajene eye sika suit. The entia wajene sika suit no machire mo. Ye wisika papa. Wa mo wisika o. Be sure so what 11 million a year scandal be gold board 11 million gold board. Won't yasia me chira wase am what yase. Na se chira ne se owura yi stand up yi a we Deputy Chief of Staff. Woni ni nuan a year Wellenam Dogbe. Wa mu wo company bi a ye frɛ no a year carry de ben de bai. But before se be kwa akɔhwɛ company no. Yentie owura Sammy Gyamfi. Tieni o yentie mo mark Sammy Gyamfi ade entuo yentie.
Nipa kakra bi afasika na kenten so a omo ne omo yere ne omo ma ne omo busuafo edi sika ne nyafunyafo ti sika bi ani wa ye de be ye oman ni ye enu nti na ye bre no enu nti na ukrom kwan no aka ho a aban ne nyeye no okay enu nti na aso piti sa ye rehwe no ye nhu no okay the reason is corruption enu nti se ye pese o man yi fa no tuma pefra e wo se ye nyina ye ni bre e wo kata hye pro ye dwirim so na ye te so atua okay na ene Taxation proye no new angle bi aba MPP for the bomb by no chrono ye pa e ade a ye friend so source ye chiri na ne say aban pese odi dwumadie bi na insess say obefa mra kwan so abamu ama omo a omo wo opepa se omo ye say adwuma ni nyina epre bi no aban ne ti da bi me de ko hye dem na me de akoma nipa ba akopɛ
okay eti ye trust Sammy Gyamfi photo aso Sammy asem yenyina haya ora Sammy Gyamfi asem a okan opposition say aban no de wo de bɔ manfo no krono pa eye so sourcing is the so obebiem na competitive bidding competitive tendering process akoso which is very transparent you know aban no say oh ye ko hyedam ne de amani pa baako okay Same na edi asem na asa ka biwo apart from the waka yensenche Sammy Gyamfi biwo.
Doc, what is so special about a 120-meter asphalt runway?
What is so special?
What is so special about what government itself describes as minimal renovation of a building? And if Andy can put the pictures of the Sunyani Airport on the screen.
Renovation of a building. Tieniye. What is so special about a minimal renovation of a building to the extent that it needs to be done under sole sourcing? Tienio, Sammy Gyamfi enu mo asem nie. This is the word of God coming from Sammy Gyamfi. According to Sammy Gyamfi, what is so special about minimal renovation of a building? So Sammy Gyamfi is CEO of a gold board. Now gold board, baby, and a Bank of Ghana dying that than one. Bank of Ghana dying that no, you see a renovate because gold board a movie in. Na saa time Bank of Ghana team no ne yentimi ntenam etiasi e yamani ye fesa Sammy Gyamfi siu to openishe ani ade etiasi e yamani ye fa ne atenam ni ade eti ye be renovation of the Bank of Ghana dying that no ye be renovation. Now according to Sammy Gyamfi, when he was in opposition, what is so special about renovation of a building to the extent that it needs to be done under social sourcing? Eti ye be follow sika, near follow certificate, near follow procurement trail, near follow emra no hunu se Sammy Gyamfi no oka se krono a ye bɔ fa kase anu a ye so sourcing no ene Sammy Gyamfi boy ye krono through so sourcing, and I'm stating his own words. These are his words, not mine. Now yan shadie gold board already yes here Sammy Gyamfi say or pe TV wɔ ne dem wɔ ne office actually. Now akoto 83-inch TV tienio Sammy Gyamfi akoto 85-inch TV. Now 85-inch TV no Sammy Gyamfi to TV no 800,000 443,000 843,687. Tienio Sammy Gyamfi a wono de no wasi ye bɔ krono. Sammy Gyamfi say ne office a wo betene mu no saa office no ohia TV 85 inches goyi no what wa minim so de behwe pono so de behwe de ye me hunu de Sammy Gyamfi hia 85 inches TV. Na 85 inches TV no original price of 85 inches TV enru even 40,000 Ghana cedi. Sammy Gyamfi nkwa koto 85 inches TV oton 843,687. Semeka 843,000 na emo ho a enka tete 8 billion. 80 billion 100,000 baako 200,000 300,000 400,000 500,000 600,000 700,000 800,000 8 billion ne chi ana Sammy Gyamfi dia koto TV baako abebo aye ne office omo a womo se womo ye aye social democrat for akromfo asefo sente sadia eye den na wutimi di TV baako billion 800,000 encount 1 billion 200,000 300,000 400,000 500 600,000 700,000 800,000 843,000 ana Sammy Gyamfi dia koto eye na any serious country Sammy Gyamfi should have been shot to death. I'm telling you. Such crime television back we here on office or the 8 billion in a chi. Most so chrono way so. E ka kire me Kwaku Afrifa say e ya ho ye anti. Sammy Gyamfi say na juma wo be ye no TV we here no office we here 8 billion TV back we here 8 billion. Now, according to the contract, kitchen cabinet, stove, microwave, aye install. Sammy Gyamfi office kitchen cabinet minimum so oba be no aduane wo so be dey o. Sa kitchen cabinet e cost Ghana for taxpayer 297,567. Tienie. Sammy Gyamfi ese ne dantie mo Ghana for bebre na mabobo adam. Sammy Gyamfi etuwoka eye TV as Sammy Gyamfi ene ne office TV ye wo ho ene ne kitchen cabinet ene ne stove aye install okaboma eye to the tune of 1.1 million Ghana cedi 1.1 million Ghana cedi enka tete 10 billion tie madwene okoka TV baako ene ye install kitchen baako to the tune of enka tete 10 billion. You can't 10 billion, 1.1 million. It misses 5-bedroom house. Ewo Ghana, fully furnished 5-bedroom house, 1.1 million. Sammy Gyamfi dia to TV and the kitchen cabinet dia boni fee. I need them, the office. While businesses are collapsing, young people nya adwuma. A teacher for yen timi ntwe omuka. Obi se ohia television. Obi se ohia kitchen cabinet. Obi se ohia 1.1 million and can't it 10 billion. You to know some years have been previous and Yagrin and Yagumenti. And they by this time the youth should have marched to Sammy Gyamfi's office. So you to see what is happening to them. So will be to me you sue a year and quantity 8 billion the to TV. Now you moving away from it. Now you shadi. Who movie away? Before Sammy Gyamfi had the contract of 11 million Ghana cedi. Ebema a year ora stando benini nuya dobe. Omo company no Sammy Gyamfi at the company be a friend Gracefield or the furniture contract worth 1 million and then MPP communicators will be a Sammy Gyamfi the contract sum of 1 million Ghana cedi said furnitures and konya table war twice in the office no a 1 million Ghana cedi ne konya war twice in the office no and can't 10 billion and open konya dia si ni office etu de koka TV ne ho a e de koka microwave ne ho a Sammy Gyamfi nkonwa a wodi si ne dem ni TV ne microwave e wo ne office eye 20 billion enka de tiska 20 billion 2.1 million or the same contract name Gracefield. Now months earlier ebi a wodi kama contract say yenkofa nkonwa mrawo. Surprisingly company, your friend Koresa was a Koresa. Company, your friend Koresa was a Koresa, Muntenie. Now Koresa company was a Diabeno, Koresa Limited no. Ora stand up by our deputy chief of staff, we Stansikani Standogbe any Ninua we Willenam Ayedogbe ana sa company no eye omodia se open chrono daylight robbery ana omo only eye Koresa for you to know that Koresa ni ye omodia no hwenie o na okọ Wezo Standogbe ni ko for omodia sa Wezo group limited na Standogbe ni nua dia na Standogbe ni nua no ofa Koresa no email address just so you know the email address of Koresa is koresa@wezogroup.com. Tienio. Eti company no Standogbe eni ninua ana omodia. Now Standogbe deputy chief of staff eni ninua ana Sammy Gyamfi awarded omo company contract to the tune of 11 million and 110 billion. 110 billion. Mobekaya me catch them last year says Sammy Gyamfi will go to jail. Sammy Gyamfi will go to jail because idea Sammy Gyamfi yen will go board hono. A serious issue. I go board idea Sammy Gyamfi yen. Now Sammy Gyamfi amma Standogbe a company to the tune of 11 million Ghana cedi. But within the 11 million Ghana cedi, there is a component for furniture. Don't forget that when you come at Gracefield, a furniture contract of 1 million Ghana cedi. Now there is a component in the 11 million for furniture to the tune of 3 million Ghana cedi. So the 3 million Ghana cedi way ekoka the 1 million already. As Sammy Gyamfi ma Gracefield now. It means Sammy Gyamfi spend 4 million Ghana cedi on furniture alone in the Gold Board office. You can 4 million Ghana cedi name Remrawa and can't it 40 billion. Billions have 40. Sammy Gyamfi. It is Sammy Gyamfi office in Kwano and Konya and table near the on in a month for be yusuno. A year to the tune of a year 40 billion and Katitiska 4 million. Now both Wezo Group any Koresa Ghana Limited no. Medical Kacham says Standogbe dia. Standogbe yinsu ye deputy chief of staff ni nua no so one ne ye no eye deputy eye omo office wa Adrenga no tienie na ye ma omo contract no it was through sole sourcing when you mere coincidence this is a pure thievery and architecture to steal from the people and yame na make Sammy Gyamfi yes enti obiu
komani pa ba ko pe nipa kakra bi afasika na kenten so a omo ne omo yere ne omo ma ne omo busuafo edi sika ne nyafunya ti sika bi ani wa de be ye oman ni ye enu ti na ye bre no enu ti na ukrom kwan no aka ho a aban ne nyeye no enu ti na so piti sa ye re
a Sammy Gyamfi ebeso omo didie anu wama eye Standogbe ne nkrofo to the tune of 110 billion 11 million contract through sole sourcing. Now bisa Sammy Gyamfi said die enti ne de ma sole sourcing a Sammy sole sourcing ni yentie no
nipa kakra bi afasika na kenten so a omo ne omo yere ne omo ma ne omo busuafo edi sika ne nyafunya ti sika bi ani wa de be ye oman ni ye enu ti na ye bre no enu ti na ukrom kwan no aka ho a aban ne nyeye no enu ti na asopiti sa ye rehwe no ye nhu no the reason is corruption enu ti se ye pese o mai fa no tuma pefra e wo se ye nyina ye ni bre e wo kata hyehye pro ye dwirim so na ye te so atua na ene kata hyehye ne pro ye no new angle bi aba MPP for the bomb by no chrono ye pa e ya de a ye friend so source ye de akire nyina ne se aban pese odi dwumadie bi na insese obefa mra kwan so abamu ama omo a omo wo opepa se omo ye se adwuma ni nyina epre bi no aban ne ti da bi me de ko hyedem na me de akoma nipa ba ko pe
sa na Sammy Gyamfi ayeye aban so de ko hyedem ade ama nipa ba ko pe na Sammy Gyamfi de ko hyedem so de master Standogbe ni nua company nkwa through so sourcing. Now the irony of it is that even by the time I had a contract in no na per a year so sourcing you need works and housing certificate, you need valid a PPA certificate. Now irony Koresa only obtained PPA certificate in May 2025 and he had a contract in a year in July 2025 June 2025. Now the time why I did a year contract in no Nani PPA said which of the certificate? I think the PPA It will share a PPA certificate. Now, but Sammy Gyamfi says still our person will chrono, and these are the words of Sammy Gyamfi. A person will a chrono through source inti. What the man stand up with and then in the company. Now, Public Procurement Act Section 40. Actually, acquire first way so sourcing. The only reason I so sourcing is when there is no alternative supplier. When there is an extreme emergency. Eti bueno Sammy Gyamfi kasa. Yasi ebe so sourcing. So sourcing ni nyina say ye mmie competitive tendering. Ye nya mankrofo bebre nu amemeye bi nemo ye hia nipa ba akopɛ. And per section 40 of the Public Procurement Act 663, the only time we do so sourcing is allowed is when one, there is no alternative supplier. Contractee, nipa omo ye renovation of buildings, bebre wagana. Sammy Gyamfi so adbema eye korosa. We just stand up with there. When there is extreme emergency, there is no extreme emergency. What is so special?
To see the works they claim to have done. That you would want to do this contract through so sourcing. Why? Look, what is so special about a 120-meter asphalt runway? What is so special about what government itself describes as minimal renovation of a building? And if Ali can put the pictures of the Sunyani Airport on the screen for people to see the works they claim to have done. That you would want to do this contract through so sourcing. Why?
The same questions are being put to you today. What is so special about renovation of a year Bank of Ghana old building a Wu Gold Board that it could not have been through competitive tendering? What is so urgent about it? But clearly Sammy Gyamfi wants to steal us through a year one standogbe. Obeso wiya standogbe ene ni nua wele nam dogbe. Ombeso mu wiya enti ana Sammy Gyamfi amu contract through sourcing to the tune of a year 110 billion. Now, causing financial loss, abuse of office, unlawful procurement, Sammy Gyamfi, one day you go to jail. Now, so conflict of interest, be any baby. Conflict of interest, baby. If it's a stand up with, before you have a conflict of interest, let's use the words of AF. Okujato ablakwa. Yenti okujato say
Article 284 of the Constitution is very clear. A public officer shall not put himself in a position where his personal interest conflicts or is likely to conflict with the performance of the functions of his office. So you see the standard very high, conflicts or is likely to. And in the classic case of Anani, where this provision really was tested, Shiraj delivered a very, very profound decision. And I want to read from page 21 of that Shiraj decision in the Anani case. And this is Anna Bosman. The commissioner has held that a public official breaches this provision not only where there is actual conflict of interest, but also where there is a likelihood of conflict of interest.
Now,
where
to
there is
raise
already
the,
in
the
existence a personal relationship between
the
the public...
threshold of Article 284, to raise it, also not only when they conflict, but likelihood. Now, Deputy Chief of Staff, who is so powerful, Nase or Kosi will be say, or even in the event that it was a competitive bidding, who could have actually stood against a deputy chief of staff, Standobe? Standobe, I would me a PM soldier for 2 or more training. Standobe, I would me DJ camera say, next Standobe a company or no big company, let alone when it is done through sourcing. And the guidelines for a year's right is very clear. The violations are there. But Sammy Gyamfi is abusing his office and he will go to jail. Sammy Gyamfi will go to jail one day. 11 million for renovation. 4 million for furniture, 843,000 for TV, 843,000. Kitchen cabinet, 297,000. Sammy Gyamfi, you will go to jail. I'm telling you. Someday soon, you will go to jail. Because there was no urgency for you to give it a sourcing. But you did that simply because you wanted to steal from us. Now you did it against the directive of John Dramani Mahama.
You are laws to eliminate excessive waste in the procurement of government supplies and projects.
Single source procurement must be the rare exception rather than the norm.
The rare exception.
We must also subject government projects above a certain threshold to value for money audits. And just this morning, I was reviewing some of the procurement reports. And there was this procurement for poultry farmers, 10,000 units of something. And it was single source. The reason for single source was urgency. And one company was giving the contract to supply 10,000 units of whatever it was. The supplier and the person who assembles it was not allowed to bid. And so the company that won it went to the supplier, bought the items for 4,500 and came and sold them for 6,600 to government and walked away with 21 million cedis on that supply. I mean, how can you do this? I mean, it was our own company we're running. How would we do a thing like this? But that is government bleeding. Everybody cutting their pound of flesh. That must stop.
John Domani Mahama said government bleeding, everybody cutting their pound of flesh. Standogbe is cutting his pound of flesh. Wellenam Dogbe, greedy people. Yedo Martina as deputy chief of staff. Sika wamu diene nsuomo. Edna kwa deputy director general of SNIT. Sika wo diene nsuono. Sammy Gyamfi yedna tiro gold board CEO. Wa jini se ayesi amuwa shi na chi ayesi. Nsuono. Yesu amosa afa kwan so through so sourcing. Ese wia manfo ni sika. And you Sammy Gyamfi, you go to jail. Yentie Sammy Gyamfi nse enu mu nsem bio. Yentie.
Nipa kakra bi afasika na kenten so a omo ne omo yere ne omo ma ne omo busuafo edi sika ne nyafunyafo ti sika bi ani wa de be ye oman ne ye enu nti na ye bre no enu nti na ukrom avodo for enuma kese e wo Ghana emrase sa ban e fa bo bi adwuma se wo medi sa adwuma ne ma oman a aban ma obi contract ho a yemamu na obi biara owo nimdie na our capacity so betimi ayese adwuma. We should give that person the opportunity to compete.
Okay.
Ti efre be competitive tendering. Ma ho kwan na obi amepre adwuma ni bi. Di obetumi aye adwuma ni yie a oman no benya so mfaso abra oman ne bebo kakakra bi ne dia ma no.
Nokure.
But wo hwe de ekoso wo bawomia ene omampenya kufu ado amamwo yi mu a ye wo contract akese bebre a.
It's 11 billion.
Aben de ma bawomia nuanom a Yamma ho kwan se obi amepri bi yesi peg aso ye de sika toto so a o mine hwe sika titiri dia you will weep for Ghana as we move along. Binua
wo hwene se v boot Sammy Gyamfi wo hwene se v boot tete v boot yen replace the same words now kan yen yi din na ye eni emfa yi stand up eni ni nua ne wo din hye wo contract akese over 11 million which is 110 billion old cedi. Mudi biya toto so. Na mode ma through so sourcing. When the government requires, when the statute requires that they must be through competitive bidding. We no say ba o mia de mani nuanom. But in this case, you are giving it to stand up ni nuanom. O hwe such a TV boot. On say unya to me de. The very thing you were against, the very thing you were fighting vehemently against, you are doing that and even worse. And gold board is a crime scene. Yentie Sammy Gyamfi ni offensive.
Avodo for enuma kese e wo Ghana. Emrase sa ban e fa bo bi adwuma se wo medi sa adwuma ne ma oman a aban ma obi contract ho a.
Say aban e fa koresa ye stand up ni nua wele nam dogbedi a. Sammy Gyamfi to aso.
Yemamu
Yemiem yenye so sourcing. Sammy Gyamfi u biemu anasa o ma so sourcing to eye koresa eye stand up dia to aso Sammy yentio.
Na obi biara owo nimdie na owo capacity so obetimi ayese adwuma. We should give that person
it obi bia obetimi renovate eye Bank of Ghana office no a gold board e ko occupy no Sammy Gyamfi to aso
opportunity to compete.
Nemo no media me ba be ye gold board CEO a me ma kwan bien compete me the 11 million Ghana cedi 110 billion old cedi contract be ma koresa aye aidia aye nye so me to aso
ti efre be competitive tendering
me na minim competitive tendering e wo aye opposition nemo me buy aye aban mu no minim wo hwene set TV boot onim yentie no
o kwan na obi amepre adwuma ni bi
Aha, and so where the all makwan will be a prebi, what the Bema stand up when in the Atuaso.
The Obetumia Jumani ye or mine Ubenya son faso, a brown mine bebo kaka krebi near Diamano.
Aha, and so media, the Obetumia Jumani yo, the Ontiminian yo, the Aban Beboka Krebio, the Amoka Krebio, stand up when in Yamania, Maggie send them one of them Tuaso.
But what share the Ekoso? Bawumia and your man Penyah for Dramamua.
Oh, shut the Ekos was Sammy Gyamfi in the gold board office one to us, Sammy.
Your contracts are Cassia Bebria.
Your contract, Cassia, see a renovate here 11 million Ghana cedis, Sammy to us.
A bayedema Bawumia Nuanomoa.
Sammy Gyamfi de ma a year stand up when in Nuanomoa, Sammy to us.
Yam Maho Quince will be a me pribi.
I want my crime will be a me pribi, so I'm to us.
Yes, he peg.
Yes, he peg. Yes, he peg. Yandwaso.
Yadisica to Toswa to Toswa.
Yadisica to Tosuma TV Kurani, a ton of 8 billion. Yantwaso.
Or mine Sika Titri Dia.
Or mine Boka will go board Titri Dia, Sammy Gyamfi.
You will whip for Ghana.
You will whip for Ghana.
As we move along.
As we move along.
Charge a Kwadwo for a new market here.
We'll win it. Such a TV boot. Also, we are a opposition. They are not in competitive bidding. Now, they are buying Garcia. Oba and Kwasiadia Woody. Oba and Kwasiadia Woody office were Woody. Sammy Gyamfi, you are a young guy. You've been given the opportunity to serve your people. Now, more young guys here, more opportunity to serve Serbia. Kwasiade nkwana moye. Kwasiade. No hope for our nation. We don't care. Munya hunu sikanwa. That becomes your motivation. We sikani nyafu. We sikano. Who opposition? Now we need competitive bidding. Ubedu abemu awo CEO hono ayi gold board. We need competitive bidding. Mewa. Nyame twedi ampomfa wobone enchew. Ade a wode ye o my Ghana no. Nyame young guy given the opportunity to serve. Look at what you are doing to the nation. Medumesia. They will to us next week.
Come. And this in each memoir or the storm near both fruits. Come. Mosolia and a Yezu storm. More storm any both fruits. And on way abrabo. Way abrabo. Come.
And I have said already, among the things he talked about was the licensing of teachers. And I have said already, and I'll say once again, that if I become president, I will cancel licensure exams. Mr. President, I'm a teacher. I want to know if you will cancel the licensing exams for teachers. Yes, I'll cancel it. Simple, straightforward. I believe that if we improve the examination, the final exam that they take, and we improve the quality of teaching and learning in the colleges of education, you don't need for them to pass their exams, come out, and go back and write a licensing exam. And so when we come into office, we'll take out the licensing exam, we'll improve the quality of teaching.
A few moments later.
Mr. Speaker, we did not promise that we were going to, we were against licensure exam in the manner in which it is being conducted. Because what you did was to take away from teachers their right to automatic engagement as teachers once they graduated.
And I have said already, among the things he talked about was the licensing of teachers. And I have said already, and I'll say once again, that if I become president, I will cancel licensure exams. Mr. President, I'm a teacher. I want to know if you will cancel the licensing exams for teachers. Yes, I'll cancel it. Simple, straightforward. I believe that if we improve the examination, the final exam that they take, and we improve the quality of teaching and learning in the colleges of education, you don't need for them to pass their exams, come out, and go back and write a licensing exam. And so when we come into office, we'll take out the licensing exam, we'll improve the quality of teaching.
A few moments later.
Mr. Speaker, we did not promise that we were going to. We were against licensure exam in the manner in which it is being conducted. Because what you did was to take away from teachers their right.
And this in nature memoir or the storm edible fruits. A quam Mosolia and a Yezu storm more storm edible fruits. And on way abrabo. Way abrabo. A common qua a com.
Tell them, pound for pound, oh hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them who speaks the truth for the records, who fights for Ghana for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left. Not right for the people for Ghana. We will not be silenced, cancelled or erased. We are the reckoning.
And this in nature memoir or the storm edible fruits. A quam Mosolia and a Yezu storm more storm edible fruits. And on way abrabo. Way abrabo. A common qua a com.
To automatic engagement as teachers once they graduated.
And I have said already, among the things he talked about was the licensing of teachers. And I have said already, and I'll say once again, that if I become president, I will cancel licensure exams.
Mr. President, I'm a teacher. I want to know if you will cancel the licensing exams for teachers. Yes, I'll cancel it. Simple, straightforward. I believe that if we improve the examination, the final exam that they take, and we improve the quality of teaching and learning in the colleges of education, you don't need for them to pass their exams, come out, and go back and write a licensing exam. And so when we come into office, we'll take out the licensing exam, we'll improve the quality of teaching.
A few moments later.
Mr. Speaker, we did not promise that we were going to. We were against licensure exam in the manner in which it is being conducted. Because what you did was to take away from teachers their right to automatic engagement as teachers once they graduated. That was the issue. The fact that even after graduation, they now have to go and sit another examination to be licensed as teachers at a fee. That was what we were against. That was the complaint. So what we...
And this in nature memoir or the storm edible fruits. A quam Mosolia and a Yezu storm more storm edible fruits. And on way abrabo. Way abrabo. A common qua a com.